tell me about the windmills.
Well, I don't really know much about them. The only thing I know about them is that they're really old. I want to find out what they do.
Do you want to look upstairs?
Sure.
Yes. And you don't pay? Perhaps you can.
It's kind of scary. This lady let us in for free to help these people get it ready. You see over there, you just turn that and then it's spinning this. So it's going in the direction of
So the whole building is spinning. They're getting ready to open this up.
He's up climbing up to put the sail on. I wonder, why do they wear those wooden shoes on here? I mean, they can just wear tennis shoes and Crocs like we are.
Well,
Maybe it's like a tradition?
yeah,
Tradition?
I think that's it, the tradition.
Yeah, and they put nets on.
So he's putting up the second sail.
The other one's up there.
There he goes.
Yeah.
We just started it.
Oh, it's going fast now.
Yeah.
Making something or something.
Sure, on the bottom it's probably making something.
Yeah, like a pizza or something. This is really cool. It's like, I don't know what makes them or power or something.
It's kind of shaking the building a lot too.
Yeah. I'm gonna go down the stairs because I'm getting a little nervous since the building's
Yeah.
shaking.
And look at this long climb down a ladder. We gotta be careful.
Yeah.
What did we learn this mill does?
It makes like paint over here. See, it's like this chalk paint. Yeah, it's cool. It looks like dough or something.
Yeah, so it's grinding up. It's actually making chalk that it's smashing.
You know, it's actually raw. That is actually a raw card.
Did you try one?
I don't know which one to try.
Well, this is cow cheese. We're probably used to this. Sheep cheese. Drake, I think you should try that cheese
Wow.
from the sheep. Go for it.
No.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, look, it's like a little museum. Someone's making them.
And traditionally, all wooden shoes are made by hand. For the outside shape, they use a large knife like this. And for the inside, they use so-called spoon scoops. This. It was a tough job to make a pair by hand because it took around 2 to 3 hours to make a pair by hand. But nowadays, with the machines, it just takes around 5 minutes. This machine will make an exact copy of the model and works in the same way as duplicating a key. This part of all the model and the knives will cut out same shape as the copy machine. Alright, let's start. The outside shape. But from now on, we're using a French machine. Same principles also applies for the inside. Again, we are making a copy. But the last remaining parts, nose and heel, are cut off by hand. Not finished. Because I told you in the beginning, the wood we use is fresh. You can see how fresh it is.
Wow.
It is all water from the tree. We need to dry this. We do that slowly by air for 3 to 4 weeks. Once it's dry, we'll polish it at a sandpaper belt. Like this. The final result will be a polished wooden shoe that fits a child around 4 years old. It looks big for 4 years old. Oh, wooden shoes are big. Like this. But the reasons why we wear them is because they are warm, they are waterproof, and they are strong. Strong as a safety shoe. Like this. Strong shoe. But the best way to wear them is with thick socks and so big with 1 finger space behind the heels. It's because wood doesn't stretch as a normal shoe. When they're too tight, it's gonna hurt. This is all done. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a look around. Try them on.